this is Neeti, and Neeti loves to watch cricket. Now, one day she was watching a cricket match with her friends, and her father got these cans of cold drink for them. Now, there were so many of them. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, and each pack contained 4 cans. Now, Neeti wanted to find out how many packs were there. So, there were 5 packs of 4 cans. That is 4 added 5 times. Or I can say 5 times 4. Now 5 times 4 is the same as 4 into 5. Now we can find 4 into 5 using the multiplication table of 4. We already know that. But can I find 4 into 5 using a number line? Let us see. So I have 4 into 5 and I have this big number line here. So how can I find 4 into 5? 4 into 5 means 5 times 4. That is 4 added to itself 5 times. Now 5 times 4 means if I take 5 jumps of 4 on the number line, I'll get the answer. So I need to take how many jumps? 5 jumps of 4. That is, the step or the gap of the jumps will be 4. So the gap being 4, I need to take 5 jumps. Now where do I start? I start from 0 and jumps of 4. That means I move 4 steps ahead in each jump. So from 0 if I count 1, 2, 3, 4. After the first jump, I'll come here. Now I need to take my second jump. So 4 steps ahead, the jump of 4 once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will come here after the second jump. Again I need to take a jump of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another jump of 4. So I have taken 1, 2, 3 jumps. But I need to take 5 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After another jump, I'll come here to 16. And 1, 2, 3, 4. After another jump, I will come here to 20. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. 5 jumps of 4. And after taking 5 jumps of 4, I come to 20. So the answer is 20. So this is how you can multiply using a number line. So 4 into 5. This number means the size of your jump or the length of your jump. That is, how many steps do you take in each jump. And this number means the number of jumps. So 5 jumps of 4 or 5 times 4. So I have taken 5 jumps of 4 starting from 0 and I come to 20 and my answer is 20. So you can check it using your multiplication table as well. 4 into 5 is indeed 20. Now what is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 2 times 5. That means I have to take 2 jumps. 2 is the number of jumps. And 5 is the number of steps I have to take in each jump. It is the number of steps I have to take in each jump. So starting from 0, I have to move 5 steps ahead. So I start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 steps ahead will bring me here. So this is my first jump. Now after 5, I have to take another 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 steps, I'll come here. This is my second jump. And I want to take 2 jumps. So 5 into 2 gives me 10. I have 10 here. So 5 into 2 gives me 10. This means 2 jumps of 5. Now what about 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is 5 times 2. 5 times means 5 is the number of jumps and 2 is the number of steps. So I have to take 2 steps at a time. I know because this number is written first. This is the number of steps in each jump and 5 is the number of jumps. So I again start from 0, 1, 2. If I move 2 steps ahead, I'll come here. So this is 1 jump. Again, I'll jump 2 steps. So 1, 2. I'll come to 4. Again, I'll jump 2 steps. 1, 2. I'll come to 6. So I've taken 1, 2, 3 jumps. Again, move 1, 2 steps ahead. And I'll come to 8. Once again, from 8, I move 2 steps ahead to come to 10. So now I have taken 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So 2 into 5 is 10. So 5 jumps of 2. The first number is how much I have to jump. And the second number, 5, is the number of jumps. Now observe something. 5 into 2 means 2 jumps of 5. That is how we did it. And we got the answer as 10. And 2 into 5 is 5 jumps of 2. This is how we did. And once again, we got the answer as 10. So in both the cases, we got the answer as 10. So whether we have 5 into 2 or 2 into 5, we will get the same answer. So even if we interchange the numbers in multiplication, we get the same answer. So you can do it in any way you want to. But this is slightly easier because you have to take lesser number of jumps. So this may be slightly easier. So it is always preferred to write the bigger number first and then the smaller number. But even if you do it in this way, you will get the correct answer. So now let us solve this. This is 6 into 4. 6 is written first. So how many steps do I need to take in each jump? And 4 is the number of jumps. So I need to take 4 jumps of 6. 4 jumps of 6. So starting from 0, I have to move 6 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving 6 steps ahead, I'll come here. So this is 1 jump. Again, I need to move 6 steps ahead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll come here. So this is jump number 2. Again 6 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump number 3. And 6 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll come here. And this is my jump number 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps of 6 steps. And this brings me to 24. So 6 into 4 is 24. So this is how I can multiply two numbers using a number line. Now can you try this on your own? What is 8 into 3? So for that we need this number line. Remember, you need to draw the number line of appropriate size so that all the jumps fit into your number line. Now we need 3 jumps of 8. So 8 steps in each jump and I need 3 such jumps. So starting from 0, I need to move 8 steps ahead this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps ahead will bring me here. So my first jump will bring me here. Another jump of 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will be very careful while counting. Don't miss out any numbers in between. And this is my second jump. Another jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another jump of 8 will bring me here. And I will take the third jump. So there are 1, 2, 3 jumps of 8 steps. Starting from 0, I come to 24. So the answer is 24. So this is how you can multiply two numbers using a number line. So draw your own number line, take up different numbers and try and multiply them and see what is the answer that you get. And then cross-verify your answer with the multiplication table to check whether you have actually got it correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.